Gen 1 Camaro here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe. Repaint to Hugger Orange. 350 V8 underneath the hood. It's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Power steering, power brakes. As you can see, cowl hood. That is a steel cowl hood also. Let's take a look at this front end. Headlight doors are electric. We'll show you how those work. Start it up, let you hear it run, take a little closer look underneath the hood. Chrome looks good on the bumper, chin spoiler. Still pictures. Take your time looking through them. UniqueClassicCars.com. Be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. If you're watching this on YouTube, just click on the link down below in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. You can always call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the Chrome SS Prager wheels, BF Goodrich radials. Take a look down this passenger side. See, it's nice and straight. Rally Sport emblems on the front fenders. Of course, that's where your closed headlights would come from. Trim package, I believe, in 68. Cannot confirm or deny this is a true Rally Sports. Let's call it a tribute. Interior, black vinyl bucket seats, center console, aftermarket gauge cluster. We're going to get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Black vinyl roof in nice shape. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look on the chrome rear bumper. This car will also come with a car cover. I'll put that back in the trunk. Send it along for the next owner to enjoy. Some of the things done underneath the hood on this car. Engine has less than 2,000 miles on it. And it has a forged crank, flat top pistons, actual Edelbrock RPM aluminum heads, Edelbrock intake manifold, Holley 4-barrel. And like I said, we're going to start it up, let you hear it run. If you stick around to the very end of this video, we're going to take this car for a drive too, show you how it goes down the road. If you're into these Gen 1, first gen Camaros, maybe just like Camaros in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, these vehicles are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. As you can see, driver's side. Nice shine to the paint also. Paint shows well. No major nicks, dings, or scratches that I have noticed. Some recent, close that door so I don't have the buzzer. Some recent service work done to this too. Real quick, new front shocks, sway bar links just replaced, and new front brake hoses, so you're aware of that. All right, door panels, good shape. You'll be able to see interior pics online also. No major rips, tears, holes, seat belts intact. Grant steering wheel. Let's go ahead and fire this up. The aftermarket tack. Tack is working. Says great throttle response. Choose whatever stereo you'd like to install. Gauges. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. Oil pressure, as you can see, and battery gauge. Alright, make sure we're in neutral. How about the hood liner, headliner? Looks good. We'll get to that hood liner in just a second. First, let's take a listen. A little rumble coming out of that 350. Alright, it will take me both hands to reach to be able to get this hood open, so I'm going to pause this a second. Check out the engine bay, and remember, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take this thing for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, there's a look at the hood liner. Of course, cowl inducted hood, and that is steel. Here we go, 350, less than 2,000 miles on it. Power steering, power brakes, headers, dual exhaust, MSD ignition, battery shut off in between drives, or when it's in storage. There you can see the Edelbrock Performer RPM heads, aluminum. Edelbrock intake, Holley 4-barrel. And again, some internal work done to it too. So the strong engine, sounds good, looks good underneath there. Great car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, or just taking out, having some fun. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1968 Chevy Camaro. This is a 4-speed on the floor. We have a Pro tachometer on the column. Turn signal indicator is working, as is the speedometer. Great sounding Camaro. Strong runner. Easy to shift, easy to drive. Looking great in orange and black. The blower motor does work on this Camaro. The fuel gauge is reading a little less than half a tank. Under the dash we have a temperature gauge that is still reading 130, which is the bottom of the gauge. Not sure if that one's moving, but it's only been running a little while. Oil pressure is over 60, and the battery's charging over 14 volts, so that looks great. Very good throttle response. Even in fourth, you feel a little pull when you touch that throttle. We're a bit trafficy today, and hopefully that doesn't slow us down too much. This car corners nicely, stays flat in the corners. Good for handling. And that was third gear in the corner, and we had plenty of torque. This is a great running Camaro, comfortable to drive. Factory looking bucket seats. Center console, which is also a good thing. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this Camaro at UniqueClassicCars.com.